This is part of the Liskeard Together project, and you can join us from the comfort of your own home with our online cooking sessions. All ingredients you will need are provided and delivered to your door every week for 6 weeks. These sessions are currently available for people in the PL14 area, currently not in paid employment. For more information, please contact ECCABI on 015 793 43693. Welcome to the Tiny Kitchen Sessions, and today we're joined by the two Annes, Anne and Anne, from the Liskeard and Looe Foodbank.
Today this is the first dish that we're going to be cooking, and it is meatballs with pasta in a tomato sauce. The cheese is an optional. What are we doing first, Anne?
Well, today, Anne, we're going to be doing pasta. Just pass this to my assistant and ask her to fill this halfway full up the pan, please. Oven on 200 just to preheat it so it's nice and warm when we get the pasta done. Finished product.
We are also offering short online courses that can help you prepare for the changes in the pipeline with Universal Credit, involving saving money and living on a budget, leading on to writing your CV, and help with online job searching skills. These we hope will help you be ready for these changes.